plan to get rear-ended back there.
Yeah.
That's why I told them to put their flashers on.
We off the side?
Huh? Just look to the front. You're up that way. I know it's flying this way. He'll come right here. You look at that hook, drag it up this way, it'll be fine. Stop, it's on the pole. Yeah, now hook to the front, drag it.
You let some of this traffic go by?
This wheel cut to the right.
Yeah.
And tell him to hit the brake. I can still pull through the brake. Tell him to hold the brake. Alright.
Oh, stop, Dodge. He pulling a camper.